Hi, my name's Jimmy Chittum. I'm president of Flying Circle Bag Company, and I have a new product called the 512 Buffalo Duffel that I'm excited to show you. Let's get into the features. This is the 512 Buffalo Duffel, fully assembled. This one hasn't been assembled yet, but within 30 seconds, you can take the 3 padded panels that are in the inside, install them, and you end up with something like this. All you have to do is take the pads, put them in the zipper pockets, and you're done. There's also instructions included if you have any questions. One of the cool features of the Buffalo Duffel is the retractable handle. Reinforced aluminum, you press a button at the top and it descends down into a zippered pocket. There's also a variety of different handles so that you can grab the bag from a bunch of different directions, pull it out of the back of a truck, pull it out of a helicopter, pull it out from underneath your bed. Whatever you need to do to get a hold of it, you've got a handle to get there. We have high-strength zippers with custom zipper pulls to help you get zippers closed. The material we used on the Buffalo Duffel is a 1200 denier polyester fabric, meaning that it's very thick, it's very durable, and should last you a very long time. A lot of other bags on the market are 600 or 900 denier, meaning that they don't have quite the durability that this one does. The Buffalo Duffel was designed to be tough. Along with the heavy-duty material, we also have these abrasion pads to keep this fabric back here from getting frayed. We also added 3 wheels instead of 2 to help with weight distribution and balance. When the Buffalo Duffel isn't standing up like this, it's usually laying on this side. We've added 3 abrasion rails to help keep the bottom in good shape. Another cool feature of the 512 Buffalo Duffel is this nice big patch of loop Velcro where you can add all the patches that you want. Name tape, unit designation, medical identification, you name it, you can put it all there. To help identify your bag, we've added this nice big plastic window on the lid. It's got a zipper closure and you can add whatever information that you need, zip it closed, and see it through the plastic window. Something else that we added to the Buffalo Duffel that's pretty cool is this bright orange interior. This helps you navigate the depths of the bag in low light situations. The Buffalo Duffel is really easy to disassemble. Let me show you. You just open it up and pull out the pads. It's that simple. 1 from the top, 2 from one side, and 3 from the other side, like so. Your 3 pads, you just set them right back into the bottom, like so. Zipper up, and the whole thing folds nice and flat and will slide under your bed, under your bunk, up into your closet, and take up a whole lot less room.